Welcome you all once again to our video for 10th class students, and today we are going to discuss and try to understand a very interesting topic, which is the prepositions in German language. So this is the topic. Actually we start very early, but we keep having rules for preposition, different rules for prepositions. I'm sure you already know that there are three kinds of prepositions. You know prepositions. Preposition is something which we put before an object, right? I'm going to, for example, I'm buying for my sister a bag. Same thing we have in German also. There cannot be any language which doesn't have preposition. We have to connect things, so we need prepositions, of course. So in German, the preposition, as you know, that accusative, dative, these things are very, very important in German. The preposition we have in German are also divided in three categories. One is the accusative category, second is the dative category, and third is the vexel preposition. So when we are talking about accusative, we have done the rule of accusative, that how a thing becomes accusative. For example, I give you an example of the accusative case. Ich kaufe einen Fernseher. In this we have ich as a nominative. It's a subject, yeah? Kaufe is my verb and einen Fernseher is my accusative. This is a structure of accusative. Now we are learning accusative prepositions. What does it mean? It means when we have these prepositions, when we are using these prepositions, they follow the accusative rule after. So any object which comes after these prepositions should follow the accusative rule. What is the accusative rule? If you know that accusative rule brings the changes to a masculine article. For example, der, if a masculine der comes into accusative case, it becomes den. If it's a indefinite article ein, masculine ein, comes into accusative case, it becomes einen. Same is that these changes which we have learned, which happens in accusative, in general context, we follow these cases, these rules also when we are using the prepositions. First of all, what is important for me if I'm learning, if I'm doing the preposition? I need to know the meaning, where to use this preposition, and I need to know that it's an accusative or a dative preposition or a vexel preposition, and then I follow the rule of that case, accusative, dative, or vexel, after the preposition I used, which means after using the accusative preposition, the article should be changed as per accusative, dative, or vexel preposition. So today we are going to do accusative prepositions, which is first is durch. What is durch? Durch is through. So you are going through something, right? So ich fahre durch den Wald. I'm crossing the forest. I'm going through, right? Ich komme durch die Tür. So what is important for me? What am I following after durch? So I know the meaning of durch, and I need to know the article I'm following here. It should be as per the accusative. Second preposition we have für. Meine Mutter gibt mir einen Brief für meinen Bruder. Okay, so für, because it's an accusative preposition, we are following meinen Bruder. In that accusative case, the masculine becomes den. Ein becomes einen. Mein becomes meinen. Another verb, another preposition we have, gegen. Gegen is the preposition which we use in different contexts. Gegen is something against, yeah? Ich fahre gegen einen Baum. I'm hitting a tree. Heute spielt Indien gegen England. So India is playing against England. Ich bin gegen Politik when you have some opinion. So then also you use gegen. And also in the sometimes in the time context also we say ich komme gegen Seno. So gegen has multiple usage, but if you know the root meaning of that word gegen, and you know it's a preposition, it's an accusative preposition, then we follow the rule also. Then another preposition we have is around. Zum Beispiel, wir laufen das Haus. We are, running around the house. When you are taking around, yeah, gegen, we also use if you know that we also use in the time context. Na? Ich bin 6 Uhr aufgestanden zum Beispiel. Ne? On at 6 o'clock. So for the fixed time also we use But is it's an accusative preposition. If wir laufen das Haus, we would say. Yeah? Wir fahren den Wald, we'll say. Then the last is ohne. Ich fahre nach Delhi ohne meinen Freund. So ohne is without and ohne is ich trinke Milch ohne Zucker, for example. I take tea without sugar. Okay, ich treffe meine Mutter ohne meinen Freund. Okay, so anything without is ohne. So this is very, very important. I think the meaning is very important of the preposition. The rule is very important. You need to learn, you need to remember that this is an accusative preposition, and then you follow the rule. And accusative prepositions are easy because there is only one rule which changes in accusative, that is the masculine we have to deal with. I think things are little complicated, I would say. For vexel preposition, dative is also fine. You know, if you remember the changes which happens in dative with the articles, it's easy to follow. But the vexel preposition, you really need to understand the thing. I know in your syllabus, you don't have these different prepositions. You have and gegenüber and so on and so forth. So one by one, I'll explain all the prepositions. Then you would be able to do the exercise. With that, I would say wish you all the very best for your exams, and I would be happy to help you further. Please, this is our email ID and this is our WhatsApp message. Do let us know in case you need any extra material to the topic which we are doing in these videos. So, alles Gute für die Prüfung.